Today we're just gonna replace a failed pressure relief valve. It's like a safety for the boiler. If the pressure exceeds, what is this rated like? This boiler is a freaking dinosaur. It's on its last legs, but before it gets replaced, we still gotta get it operational. And like, for example, this, it's gonna get loud, bro. It's not supposed to do that. I did a maintenance, checking the flow switch, check gas pressures, just check, make sure everything's working. And you gotta test these. And I tested it and doom, 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 shook the whole building.
Is that just because it's old?
No, it's got like a valve in there, and they have a water softener, but some buildings, it still gets hard water. So it's just hard water buildup. So when the valve activates, it's just stuff gets stuck in between the seal, and it just keeps allowing the pressure to go through.
I mean, in HVAC, you do it all. You do plumbing, a little bit of welding.
Yeah, but like a lot of companies, they don't do boilers and chillers and. Bin this guy off. So this is the failed valve. See, like this crud right here gets stuck in that seal in there. Allows it to keep going. So now we just clean it off. Like this was caught on a maintenance. Like I said, we gotta check everything. So we check flow switch, check temperatures, check gas pressures, check the flame sensor, the igniter. So it's just a.
So it's like a checklist.
Yeah, it's just a checklist, and this popped up. I think before the maintenance, it was this. The switch had burned out, so I had to rewire it and do a couple of things to it. Ooh. So I'm just gonna clean up this area that we're gonna go. Just tape it up.
So I'm using my monkey wrench right now to just tighten this pressure relief valve.
I'm also just gonna check airflow out here. Good airflow.
Oh, that's how you test it?
Yeah. No. Bring this one, turn this one more this way. See how it closes automatically? It's not doing that. Doom, 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 doom. Yeah, that's all she wrote.
That's it? That's the whole job?
That's the whole job, man.
That popped my cherry right there.
That's my first.
Yep, that's it. All right, guys. Yeah, we're going.
Thank you.
And once the set screws are out, we should be able to extract this pulley, and then start. We can pull this tray out. That way we can get the wires and all that off. So we can get the pulley out first. That's the first thing.
Right.
So what is today?
It's just this motor swap out. It was cooking.
Bring this out. Oh, damn.
Yeah.
That whole thing's gotta come out?
Yeah, this whole tray. Well, this motor here. Oh. This fat guy.
Episode 18.
This is stuck, bro. There it goes. Whoa. All right. That should be far enough. And then down here, it was cooking itself. So yeah, hopefully it's just a matter of getting the new motor.
It's only 2 of them, correct?
You're gonna have this one, and yeah, but this one it really is just to adjust the pulley size. The extractor's there. You're gonna have to open it up more, yeah. All right. And then you're just gonna tap it with the. Oh. All right, go ahead.
Oh, come on. There you go. Oh, right here?
Yeah, the pecker head, you're gonna have to get that. It's called a pecker head. I didn't give it that name, bro. Yeah, it's pretty easy. The only thing is once we get it, light. Once we get the new motor slapped on, we just gotta align the pulleys so that it's not out of balance. And this is a 3-phase right here, so you got your. Oh, that one came out, so I'm gonna be careful with that one. Probably will cook the loose connection. Look at that, I just pulled out. It's a fairly old unit also, so. I just wanted to see the, Oh yeah, check it out, Mike. Up in here, those windings are freaking damn near cooked. So a loose connection could do that.
We're just taking for volt.
Yeah, just in here. This has a magnet, so you can just slap it up there. There you go. And make sure we're dead.
We're good.
All right. So this is one thing we're gonna have to do is look at the wires that we got right now, and you're gonna go to the wiring diagram. And we're gonna see what voltage we have right now. And then that way we can determine what our wiring is. All right.
209.
Right here. Three-phase.
230.
Okay, so we got 5, 3, and 2, 3.
The first one that we found was 01?
Yeah. All right, so just unwire it. You're gonna get the grommet out. Oh, there's no grommet, huh? All right, we'll unwire it, unbolt it. All right. This is the part where we gotta figure out. So I guess we can bring the old motor, the new motor, and set it back here.
Mm-hmm.
Pull the tray out all the way, and then just muscle it out, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out a way to.
Yeah, we're just gonna have to muscle that bitch.
Oh, look, bring that pole. And then when we unbolt it, hopefully it hangs. Probably gonna be half. Once we swap the motor out, already this bearing looks pretty bad. It's not loose in there yet, but it's getting there. It's gonna be an issue in the future. But like I said, it's an old unit, so we're just getting it back up and going. All right. Ready to go? All right. Oh, well, it's not too heavy. I just wanted to get it.
Come on, give you a ticket. You don't want that.
Ready. Go ahead. Just drop it, I guess. Yeah, free gym membership, bro.
I have my other buddy. He's left to go get a belt right now. We got 2 people.
So,
Somebody just walked up there right now, so they might even check it. If not, I have a key. Want me to hold this just here?
yeah, please. Take this sucker in. And then you want to start putting the bolts.
Oh, this is bent. See that?
What?
It's bent.
All right, get the other ones and then we'll straighten that out.
Okay.
The thing about it is the city doesn't follow it.
All right, let's get this bottom one in. Oh, it's not right there, right there, right there. There it goes.
Guys, let's hold up over here.
All right.
And we're gonna replace the belt. There's one coming in, so we're gonna also replace the belt over it. Okay? That's all we're doing today. Six is gray.
Get in on his grill, Mike. Get in on his grill.
Don't. You're making me nervous.
You're old, I'm fucking ancient.
It's just called Ghost, right?
Yeah.
In that movie. You gotta make sure all the connections are tight, also the wires. Oh, what? The wire? You wanna pop that front door, the electrical?
No, I don't know what he's from. He's super registered.
Sweet. All right, and that's it.
Yeah.
We just
First one.
clean up now, and this is Robbie's first motor.
It's my first one.